And in fact, in the aftermath, we actually saw prices fall. Explain to us the significance of this event and whether the sort of price action you saw on the market reacted in the way that you would have anticipated.
Yeah, I think what they always say is true. You buy on the rumor and sell on the news. Well, today the news is that the halving happened, and now we see people selling. But this shouldn't have been a surprise to anybody that's been involved in Bitcoin. This is actually my third halving that I've been through, and there'll be another one in 4 years from now as well. So that won't be a surprise to anybody other than people that are new to Bitcoin. So basically what happened is, like you said, the miners get half the amount of money that they got before the halving, and so therefore they're shuffling their hash rate around to whatever coins are the most popular or profitable for them to mine. And we'll see that continue to happen about every 4 years.
We've seen this dislocation, if you will, between what economists are seeing about economic prospects and the prospects for a global recovery and what we're seeing in more conventional risk assets and equity markets, right? How has these concerns about the pandemic and what the world looks like post-coronavirus impacted the Bitcoin story, if you will?
Yeah, I think it impacts everything, and I'm very, very bullish on the world economy here. So many people are not allowed to go to their jobs. We see Elon Musk, saying, "Arrest me for getting back to work," and more power to him for taking a stand like that. But if printing money could make everybody, wealthy, why would anybody ever have to work ever? You could just print money and send everybody a check, and that would be the end of it. But it doesn't work. People have to go to the factories. People have to go to the farms. People have to produce the things that people need. And if people aren't allowed to go to work and produce the things that people need, there's not going to be enough things to go around. And so printing money doesn't solve the world's problems. It actually causes more. And the same is true within cryptocurrency as well. And that's what attracts so many people to cryptocurrencies, because there's these hard limits to them where you can't have some central bank or some central monetary authority just create more out of thin air. But that's why it's so important to make cryptocurrencies usable as currencies so that people have the ability to opt out of other systems and start using cryptocurrencies to pay their employees or to receive their paycheck or to go shopping on Amazon or to do all the things in their daily life. And then suddenly people will have an option if they don't want to be, beholden to the US dollar or the euro or the yen. There's another option now, and these cryptocurrencies are providing that option.
Wait, Roger, you said that was pretty much expected, but is it a bit problematic that even with tighter supply, you're not seeing a boost in prices, or is it just because it's already been priced in?
I think it's already been priced in, but remember, the tighter supply or the lower issuance has only been going on for a couple of hours now. So if you do expect to see anything happen because of it, it would take, weeks or months for that to be the case. But everybody's known that this is going to be the case for years and years and years. And so I think that it's already been priced into the market for a long, long time.
With the post-pandemic world, people are just cooped up in their homes. We are seeing more and more people just getting on the internet. Will this help the expansion of cryptocurrency?
One example of that is that there's a poker website where people can play poker using cryptocurrency. And when the lockdown started, the amount of volume and traffic and people playing at blockchain.poker just exploded. And that was I guess that was definitely good for cryptocurrency, but that's a sign that it's bad for the economy, because if everybody's just sitting at home playing poker all day, every day, that means the cars and the food and the things that people actually need aren't busy getting produced. But the amount of traffic going to Bitcoin.com and these other websites have definitely been up substantially since the lockdown began.
Roger, I'm keen to get your thoughts on stablecoins. Is there a role for them going forward to sort of, I guess, bridge the gap that you have between cryptocurrency and more conventional investment assets?
There's clearly a role for the stablecoins, and the fact that Tether is one of the top cryptocurrencies in the world, period, is a clear indication of that. But it's important for people to remember that stablecoins aren't actually stable. You're still at the mercy of whoever the issuer of that stablecoin is to make sure that their assets are backing the coin that they issue. But it's a really convenient tool. If you've ever had to do a wire transfer and then try sending a stablecoin, the stablecoin wins hands down in terms of speed and convenience and just about everything. So I think we'll see more and more people around the world using stablecoins in addition to actual cryptocurrencies.
So your views as to, whether the global economy, whether the US economy should reopen is sort of on par with, I guess, more of a libertarian view on the economy as well. Have you seen throughout this whole sort of, lockdown and coronavirus, COVID-19 induced change to society, a shift in the types of people that are investing in Bitcoin and crypto?
Yeah, I think the type of people that are investing in crypto traditionally have been kind of the contrarian libertarian types, and all of those people have already been involved in crypto for years and years and years. But I think now maybe the people that aren't necessarily of that mindset, they're at home all day, nothing to do. They're surfing the internet. They say, oh, I'll look into this cryptocurrency thing. And maybe they didn't have time to look into it over the last 5 years, but now is the time. And we're seeing so many people, you can buy $10,000 of cryptocurrency a day inside the Bitcoin.com wallet. We've had our highest volumes ever in the last couple of weeks here with people doing that. So it's nice to see. Apparently people do have some money when it comes to wanting to buy crypto, which is a pleasant surprise.